All right, guys, got an Ivation outdoor pressure washer. Pressure washer here. Got this on Amazon. Can't really find a model number or anything on it. It just says pressure washer. On the front it says pressure washer 2200 PSI. Most of the reviews were pretty good on this. It's one of the few electric ones that has a metal adapter for the hose. There were a few bad reviews saying it only worked for 5 minutes. So just kind of unboxing it here. It's fairly light. It's not too awfully big. It comes with 5 different spray nozzles. It's just a real nice machine.
Is that a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke?
Neither. It's a Yamaha. All right, I'm gonna move this thing over by the water hose and plug it up and power it up and see if it works. See how long it works. All right. Try to get these ties off here. Just a real nice machine.
Real nice surprise cord.
The cord seems like it's super long. So that's pretty handy. We're just gonna plug it up over here. Okay, got the long cord plugged up. Now I'm trying to figure out, it looks like the water hose goes on the front. Don't really know how that works. Okay. My hose will not screw onto that. It's I've got 2 male ends. Yeah. So I'm not really sure how to screw it on. If I have 2 male ends, it's just not supposed to work that way. Okay, after we weren't sure how to hook up the hose, upon further search, we found this adapter in a bag on the other side of the driveway. So now we've got the wand and its hose connected. I'm going to connect the water hose now. This adapter will go on the end of your water hose and make it a quick release. Screw that on. This piece screws on the pressure washer itself, and then you've got a metal quick release. Got that screwed on. Alright, so the water hose goes in the back, the wand and the output hose goes in the front. It's got this funky on off switch here. I'm gonna turn the water on, I guess, and put a tip in it. We'll use the green tip. That obviously makes the most sense. It's the 25-degree tip. Okay, we've got that in. Let's turn the water on. I have a super high pressure water system, so I've got it turned on as low as I can. I'm going to hit the power button. Okay, power's on. See if it sprays. This is one that when you're not using it, it turns off to save electricity, which is super cool. gonna angle this down. Maybe you can see me spraying off my concrete. This thing's supposed to be 2200 PSI. Okay, it seemed to work pretty well. You can clearly tell it's not near the power of a gas pressure washer, but it just does seem like it would get the job done for most anything around the house. After I used it there for a couple minutes, it started to hiccup and lose pressure, and it was like the pump was trying to keep up or something. This end has the replaceable tips with the quick remove. Now we're trying this other end. It's just got a big missile on the end of it. You holding it? Bogged down. Yeah. Well, so far it seems like it operates fine. Probably have to do another review. You can kind of see what we did, a little washing right there. Probably have to do another review here later after we've used it a few times. Cleaned some motorcycles and stuff with it to see if it's really gonna hold the test of time, stand the test of time. So it's an Ivation. Got a little instruction booklet here. It tells you what some of the things are, like the turbo wand, but it doesn't say what you would use a turbo wand for or how it differs from the other one. And it also came with this piece on the back that kind of looks like a long skinny thing to push a reset button or something, and doesn't tell you what it's for, just kind of taped to the back.
I wonder if it's supposed to clean out.
Yeah, maybe it's used to clean the tips. It's hard to say, really. Pressure washer seems like it works okay. I'm kind of disappointed in the documentation and stuff so far, and